so right now you're looking at a cookie with some stenciling on it that the Crumb Boss did, and she's going to show you how to make the Steph stencil cookies, obviously. And then this is another stenciling cookie right here.
Yeah, that's actually the stencil. This was the way I hand painted the cake.
Yeah.
I just went ahead and did it on a cookie as well. But the other one here is actually a stencil. And it's hard to show up, I know, on the pink and the white. That's why we've switched to make black to see if it shows up a little bit better.
I look at my cookie.
You totally just ate it!
Oh,
Aww. Alright, well, I guess it's yours, and it did say Steph. Hey, show me. You didn't show me yet.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, everybody, come on here.
Oh, Mike, looking at my cookie.
Yeah.
I bite it. You yell at me. Hey, film me.
If you're new to Crumb Boss TV, hi, I'm Crumb Boss. That's Steph the producer.
That's Steph the producer eating her cookie.
This is what we do.
All right. So we're going to show you how to make stencil Steph cookies.
Yeah. Alright, yeah, let's do the stencil first. Basically, I bought this stencil at Michael's Crafts.
Okay.
And it's basically just an arts and crafts stencil.
Yummy.
And you need a little bit of royal icing. My cookies have already dried hard. Royal icing on the base, dried hard for at least a day, guys, before you start the second color. Otherwise, you could have some bleeding issues of the black bleeding into the base color, and that wouldn't be that pretty. So what I do have here is some royal icing that's been colored black. And the reason why we're doing it black is because just on camera it doesn't show up that great, but it does look real pretty in white too. So you really need such a tiny, tiny, small amount, if you could see just on the tip of my spatula.
Yes.
And you basically just want to press it into the stencil like that. You do not want a lot or you're going to have a mess. You really don't need a lot.
So this is something I shouldn't do.
Well, I don't know. I think you could do anything.
Yeah, I'm making my video.
Really try. I can't wait to see your video. Okay, so then you pull it up, and there you have the stencil on the cookie.
Cool.
Okay? So that's one way to do it. And then I'm going to show you guys, if you didn't catch us doing hand-painted cakes in the last video, I'm going to just show you. Oh, yeah, there it is. Right.
There it is right there.
I'm going to show you how to do the same technique on a cookie, which is a real nice idea, actually, because if you have a hand-painted cake for your event, then why not have some cookies to go along with it, right?
Exactly.
So here was the technique that we did. Made like the ruffly thing for the petals, and then I took my paintbrush here, and I'm just going to pull it. Looks cool in black, right?
Yeah, it does. I'm eating my cookie.
Yes, I know.
Well, Gretchen sends me a text, everybody, and she's got this beautiful cookie with my name on it, and somehow I'm not supposed to have it.
Yeah, and the text I get back is, what is it? I said, it's a beautiful cookie I made for you, you jerk.
But it was pink. It was like...
Well, yeah, she hates pink.
I hate pink. I don't like the color pink. I don't look good in pink. I don't know. I like raspberry. Raspberry's a cool color.
Raspberry beret.
I have that on my iPod. This is cool.
Okay, so there you have the idea.
Hey, you know what you could do, Gretchen?
What?
Oh, I got a good idea. Let's make fossil cookies. Like cookies that you find out. You ever find a fossil?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
so,
no, but I know what you mean.
Oh, I have tons of fossils. Alright. Let's make dinosaur prints.
Okay, I want you to do that video.
Alright, I'll do that. My next video, I'm going to show you how to make fossil cookies. So not this weekend, maybe next weekend. I'll show you how to make a fossil cookie.
So you get the idea here, guys, of how I'm doing the hand-painted on the cookies?
Yep.
So there you have it.
That's cool.
And I guess that was really it. I just wanted to show you that. So here's the stenciling. I'm going to just finish this cookie because it looks unfinished. I'm going to go ahead and do a border.
Now, how much would this be?
Well, you know, when you get into hand-painted, it's all time, guys. So you have to really charge for your time. So people are very surprised when in the store I'm charging $2 for this cookie. I mean,
what do they do?
$2 for a cookie?
Wait, imitate your customers.
I just did. $2 for a cookie? And I'm just like, you know what? ShopRite's across the street.
Exactly, yeah.
You know? I mean, they don't understand that. First of all, I'm using real butter, real sugar, real eggs, like not preservatives and processed and all this chemical stuff.
What do they use over there?
I have no idea, but it tastes like sawdust.
Yeah.
So, you know, if you want it to taste good, plus all my time that I took to do this, like, you know what? I make about $3 an hour, so come on, give me something. You know what I mean?
I'll give you 50 cents.
Here,
You make
so-
$3.50, Gretchen.
What should we write on this one?
Merry Christmas.
No, it's too much. I'm going to do it again this way, because your name is easy and pretty to write.
Because it's Steph the producer. Well, that's cool. That's beautiful. Let's see. Oh, wow. Look at it. Look, my next cookie. And
Don't
here-
eat it.
I'm not eating. There's the other one right there. I ate it.
All right,
so I'm
guys,
not.
so there's some ideas for you if you have the time and you...
You have the
make
time and it's Miller time. No. Make some stencil stuffed cookies with the Crumb Boss. Enjoy.
Come on.